guys, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, I'm Vanessa and I do a bunch of different kinds of videos here on my channel, but today I'm coming at you with a weekly plan with me in my mini happy planner. I almost forgot what this is called. Mini happy planner, aka my sloppy planner. So we'll just go ahead and get on with it. I'm going to turn on my other light. Yeah, I didn't finish filling it out, but nothing so personal that I don't think I can show you guys. So this is what it usually looks like. See, I fill it out like this, and then this is what it looks like before I put it into my rings planner, which you guys usually see me do in my like pretty planning spreads in my A5. I'll go through this and I'll do this throughout the week, and then the week after I will go ahead and do my A5, because what is in my A5, I like it to be what actually happens. It's more of a memory keeper. I think I'm going to use this Tombow twin tone marker, and then maybe I might bring in this one, I don't know. I usually only plan like 3 or 4 days of the week at a time. I don't really know exactly what's going to happen 5 days from now. And I like to keep the scratching out to a minimal, even though I know it's gonna happen anyways. 10, 11, Wednesday is the 12th, Thursday is the 13th, then we have the 14th, 15th, and Sunday is the 16th. This is how I usually start it, and it's lined, but I put it in a checklist format. Sometimes I date them, sometimes I don't. But basically, these are just giant to-do lists. I always put wake up. I like to keep track of the times I'm waking up and that I'm going to sleep. This morning I woke up at 7 in the morning. I need to make sure that I take a shower, and then I am going to go to... So I need to go to Target so that I can get some packing tape, because I need to return a book that I rented from Amazon for my philosophy class. Return textbook. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and put in film, which I am doing right now. And I have a lot of videos to edit and upload, so I should probably do that too. But I don't think I'll have time to do it, so maybe I'll do it tomorrow, I don't know. And then at this point of the day, I like to go to the very bottom and work my way up. So at the very bottom, I like to put in sleep. And this is the time that I would like to go to sleep. So I woke up at 7. I would add 12 hours, which would be 7 p.m. And then I add 4 more hours. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Be asleep roughly by 11. I have work on Tuesday. I don't have work today. I have work on Tuesday. So I will change that to be asleep by 11:30 p.m. I'm gonna go ahead and block this off right here like this. And for dinner, I like to do that. I like to be in bed for 2 hours before I actually fall asleep. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but should I change up the colors? I feel like I want to. Alright, and now I plan my days that are ahead. What time do I want to wake up on Tuesday? 30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. 6:30, 5:30. We'll do 5:30. I would like to be awake by 5:30 in the morning. That gives me, I like to wake up early because I just feel like I get more out of my day, I guess. I might be able to film in the morning if I do this. Air conditioning just kicked on. And I'm gonna work from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and I'm going to be reading Star Wars, Fate of the Jedi. There we go. And then this is Conviction. I believe it's the second to last book in the series, or like the third to last book in the series. I can't remember. I like to remember not to have too many things in the day because that could get very overwhelming for me. If I have too many things listed, it makes me not want to do any of them. So I like to try and keep it between 6 and 8 things to do per day. Okay, so that's 9 things. That's kind of pushing it. I'm gonna be really honest with you that I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of these done. Today I probably won't edit and upload. That's just what happens if I have more than 8 things a day. Some of the things I won't have time for them. I think we need to do the litter box this day though. Probably try to fall asleep a little bit earlier. We're gonna go 5:30 p.m. for dinner. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed through Wednesday and Thursday since I kind of already talked to you about the logistical part of how I plan my days. I'm going to go ahead and speed through those 2 days, and then I will be back with you to wrap up this video. Alright guys, well here it is. These are the 4 days that I planned for this week that I am currently living. So I planned from Monday to Thursday, and usually how it goes is that Thursday or Friday, it might be Thursday or it might be Friday. Thursday I might end up planning the rest of the week. If not, then I'll get to it Friday. And then Friday in the morning, then I'll be like, okay, so I wake up and I'll do it just the same way that I did Monday. This is gonna be it for this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you did like it, feel free to comment and feel free to subscribe. Feel free to ask me any questions if you have any. And I will speak to you guys in the next video. Bye.